me how to be closer to you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title of this video, the Bells Budget and I are doing a giveaway collaboration. Yay! So to learn how to enter this giveaway, then keep on watching. All right, you guys, there's music playing outside. People are blasting music in the car. 72 degrees outside, super hot. That's the reason why I'm not wearing a long sleeve. You guys can see my hairy arms, but it's okay. We're gonna work with that. Let's get started. All right, so first thing is first, we're going to start with our cash envelope. And let's see. Home essentials is not getting anything. Spending is getting something because I do need to buy an outfit for Easter, which is Sunday. So spending is getting 150. So we're going to do 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, and a 10, that's 50. So let's count that again. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50. Alrighty. Ty is getting $55. So we're gonna do two 20s, a 10, and a 5. So Ty now has 20, 40, 50, 55. Oh, and before I forget, right here, I have a Mori Soñando. If you Google it, like for translation, it's called Die Dreaming. And I'm like, wait a minute, I don't want to die dreaming. That's the name of the drink. It's basically orange juice with carnation, sugar, and ice. So good. Next, transportation is not getting anything. Self-care is getting $35 because I do want to get my hair done for Easter. So we have 20, 30, 5. What are you guys doing for Easter? Let me know down below. I have nothing planned. I don't know what we're doing. Laundry is not getting anything, and laundry still has $10. Business is not getting anything. So we're done with this binder. And now let's get into our bills/savings/sinking funds binder. So, bills we're not doing. I'm actually stuffing my bills envelope on Friday. So that's another video coming up. So let's skip through that. And kiddos is getting $20. So this is basically all getting 20s or whatever. I didn't get a chance to go to the bank, so I had to use the ATM at the store. So 20. Now kiddos has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 62, 63, 64. That's 164. Alrighty. Savings is getting 20. So savings now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140. Fur baby is getting $10. And we don't have a 10, so we're just going to put this 10 down and grab a 20. So Fur Baby has 20, 25, 26, 27, $28. Emergency is getting a 20. So Emergency now has 50, 70, 90, 100. Woohoo! Finally. All right. Student loan is getting a 20. So we're going to do a 20. So now it has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, almost $100. So we do need to update this tracker. All right, what's today's date? So today is April 12th, and this is just extra income plus 20. So right now we owe $640.04 for our first student loan. All right. Next is gifting, and gifting is getting $100. So we're gonna color in. Let's see. We're gonna color in some 20. So 20. All right, that's $100. So we're gonna grab 20s. All right. So birthday now has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 140. And you guys, this birthday challenge is from the Bell's Budget. I actually won this and $25 on her last giveaway. So yeah, so make sure you guys check her out. Yearly is getting $10. So we're going to do this 10. And I did empty out this envelope because I had to pay my P.O. box. Now, Dep Snowball is, let's see. So I'm doing 2 envelopes this week. We're going to do 21 and 22. We're going to do 2 20s and this $3 bill. So I don't count this. I am going to count it once I complete the challenge. And I'm putting the tracker behind. I don't know, for some reason it looks cuter showing the money. All right, and then taxes is getting this last $20 bill. And that's about it. All right, you guys, so let's talk real quick about the giveaway. So the giveaway. All right, you guys, so in order to enter the giveaway, you must be subscribed to my channel and also the Bell's Budgetz channel. Make sure you watch both videos, which is this one and her giveaway collaboration with me. Like, comment a purple and blue heart. And this is for US only. I'm sorry, you guys, no international giveaway, only because it costs a lot of money to ship out. So make sure you enter and stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
Run away now. You and I could be on a way. Pack our bags and take this love